My name is Rick Henker, and I won the Sheth Award in 2017. The work that I'd been doing before the Sheth Award was I was working in Cambodia, doing work in Belize and Bhutan. And the work that I'd been doing is I'd been working on developing nurse anesthesia programs in many of those different sites to improve access to surgical care by the development of workforce in those particular countries. In my career, I think I'd say that, in addition to doing the nurse anesthesia programs, I've added another nurse anesthesia program that we're working on in Laos, in Luang Prabang, and I've started working with Ministry of Health in Laos. But what I've done is I've really focused more on policy types of issues. So I've worked a great deal more with the Ministry of Health in Cambodia. We've received funding from a group called GIZ out of Germany to fund a number of projects. I've also been working with FHI 360 on projects in Cambodia related to education, so working with policy issues there. And also started working with some of the organizations, the Ministry of Health in Laos, and also some of the one of the anesthesia organizations in Laos. Other policy types of work, I'm working a great deal with a group called the G4 Alliance, Global Surgery, OB, Trauma, and Anesthesia Care, and also working with the International Federation of Nurse Anesthetists, and been working with them on some projects also. Yeah, I'd say that the Sheth Award, the benefit of it is just being acknowledged in terms of the work that I've done, in terms of the global effect that I have in terms of my work, and it encouraged me to continue to do that work. So, and instead of doing just the clinical and working, with individual patients and teaching, it encouraged me to continue to do the policy work. So I've really enjoyed going on and jumping in and do more policy work. And the G4 Alliance work is currently working with the World Health Organization, and also working with World Health Organization in Laos and Ministry of Health in Cambodia. So it's really contributed to pushing and moving forward with those projects. Lessons learned, it's you never know where the opportunities are going to come up. And I think a lot of times it's, you can push and you want your career to go one way, but one of the things that you have to do is you have to go ahead and look at where are the possibilities, where are the opportunities, and where are they availing themselves, and jump on those. And I think I had very different ideas in terms of where my career was going to go, but then I had many types of things that opened up. And I think just looking for those opportunities and taking advantage of those opportunities, it may not be the career direction that you think you're going to go, but it's like, hey, once you jump on those, it may actually end up taking to a place that you really enjoy going, or maybe it's a place where you're like, this is really amazing that those opportunities have come up, and I'm at a place where I really enjoy being at. I just want to thank Dr. and Mrs. Sheth for the acknowledgement, the award, to encourage me to continue with the global work that I've been doing. It certainly encouraged me to move on and continue to do the work that I've been doing. But in addition, it encouraged me to continue and work on a lot of the policy types of issues that I've gone on to work with G4 Alliance and International Federation of Nurse Anesthetists, and the work in individual countries with ministries of health, such as in Laos and in Cambodia. So thank you again for the encouragement. Thank you for the award, and appreciate that a great deal.